then tell me what does. It's using what's referred to as low observable stealth technology. And in fact, it relies on those very angular shapes and the slab sides of the aircraft to ensure that the radar emissions don't really pick up very much indeed. So it shows the size of something like a small bird on a radar screen. And the engine exhaust is diffused as well to ensure that it remains resilient to infrared heat signals. Mighty rumble there. The aircraft uses the same engine as the FA-18 Hornet, but without the afterburners. It's referred to as the stealth fighter, although it hit 31% of the targets overall, and we do a total of over 1,200 missions. The aircraft is not supersonic, it doesn't carry any defensive armour, it relies solely on its stealth technology for protection.